What an absolute gorgeous day to view an absolute gorgeous home that's for sale. Yes, folks, we are in the greater Las Vegas Valley, specifically in Henderson and Anthem Country Club. And this is 18 Brookridge Drive. Beautiful home, just been renovated. It's sitting on the second hole of Anthem Golf Course, Anthem Country Club Golf Course. And it's got a beautiful exterior on the outside. The home itself is 4,607 square feet. The lot is 20,909. So that's just a little bit under a half an acre. Going to kind of show you the neighborhood right here. We got 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and we have a total of 4-car garage, 1,012 square feet. So again, beautiful home, guard gated Anthem Country Club. What do you get with all that? You got basketball courts, clubhouse, various community facilities, golf, community pool, spa, exercise room, jogging trails, fitness center, gated, it's guard gated, so there's 24/7 roving patrols, pickleball courts, playgrounds, social committees, all kinds of stuff. So if you're looking for that kind of lifestyle, this could be an amazing home. It's a gorgeous home, and if you're a golfer, it's got amazing views. We got Black Mountain off in the background. And if this is your first time joining my channel, my name is Jake Burkett with Real Brokerage. Thanks so much. We do these tours to help you explore the valley, what's for sale, resale, and new. And of course, we'd love to make a connection, build a relationship. And if real estate's in your future, we'd love to help you. So let's go ahead and get on in this house. It was built in 2001. It's in an HOA. The total HOA is $355 a month. And yeah, we'll just kind of take a peek here and head on in the property. So really good looking on the outside here. Nice and spacious. And this is a 2-story home, kind of more like a pop-up. So the vast majority of the home is on the first level. There's a pop-up, there's a bedroom upstairs. So there's a little bit upstairs. We'll hit that last. And then, yeah, we'll just get through this property and take a look at it. And if you ever have any questions about this home or anything else, all my contact info is right there in the bottom right-hand corner. So primary bedroom's off to my right. We're gonna look at that last. So we're just gonna back up a little bit. We've got really high ceilings in this house. Nice big, gorgeous looking foyer right here. Kind of show you the entryway. There's our stairs that lead upstairs. Stairs that lead upstairs. There's our door. We do have the gate on the outside. Then you got this sexy door with this big pivot right there, metal framed out with a lot of glass. And that's gonna lead us right into this like formal kind of living room area, formal dining room table area. You can see we got this big, gorgeous, massive picture frame window right there. An incredible amount of natural daylight coming into the home, which is fantastic. We have a little bar station over here, so if you'd like to entertain, you're kind of all set up with this nice little high bar. And right over here, you've got the formal dining area. So fantastic, another beautiful picture frame window. You do have a slider just off to the right, so you could open that up if you're doing a little al fresco dining. And then right through this entryway, before we head in there, we do have crown molding in the house. We've got these big, beautiful 5-inch baseboards right there as well. So this is gonna lead us into the kitchen area. We're gonna have a breakfast nook off to the right. Another gorgeous picture frame window, great views. And we're gonna hop out into that backyard in just a second. But first, let's go ahead and explore this exquisite kitchen. Beautiful center island with waterfall edge. You got matching backsplash and tile in the back. Solid core cabinetry. Everything is soft shut. You got these gorgeous looking little gold pull handles, so it makes it very easy to get to. There's your microwave. You got your oven. You got your dual ovens over there with your cooktop, your skillet. You got your built-in fridge, your dishwasher right there as well. Everything matchy-matchy, of course. Nice and smooth. There's your big, beautiful hood built in. You got these transparent display cases in here as well, so it's kind of a nice added touch. And then here's your KitchenAid fridge. with more storage just over here to the side. So here is another living room area, probably your more casual one. And we do have this gorgeous 4-panel but 3-pocket slider that leads us into the backyard. So let's go ahead and open that up and head into the backyard. Just like that, we've removed the wall, and now we have this awesome access point right into the backyard, which is fantastic. It's elevated. It's got great views as well. You have a nice covered patio. And so the way this house is, we're facing west right now, so you'd have morning sun and then afternoon shade. So let's check out this backyard. Look at this gorgeous pool. That's Black Mountain off in the distance over there. Got your nice swim platform right here. Lounge chairs. Got your hot tub, another seating area right here. And off to my right, this is the 2-panel slider off of the primary bedroom, which we're gonna get into in a little bit. So we'll see that later. So you have 2 covered patios. Just here's the side of the house with your pool equipment, and you have the AC unit for the primary bedroom. So if you're a golfer and you're wanting some reference points, so this is the second hole. We have our tee boxes right over here. And then we have the fairway right in front of us with a lot of natural desert scape in between. So you should be very safe from any sliced golf balls over here. So that'd be a hell of a slice to get to you. Could happen, but you're probably safe. And then we got beautiful Black Mountain off in the desert there. Nice elevation out here too, so we're probably a couple degrees cooler than the Vegas Valley, the central part of it. You have this nice permanent pergola out here with your gas fire pit. I say permanent because it's not a little pop-up one. It's got stucco, it's got the same tile roof as you have on the rest of the house, so it's nice and sturdy. Great views from here, of course. And then over here you have a large side yard. And then also right here, if you wanted to put a grill, you've got your gas stubs right there, so you could easily do that. So just final pan over here, the backyard, side yard. We'll head back inside the house. All right, so we've seen the living rooms, the kitchen, the dining room areas. So we have a couple of secondary bedrooms that are on this side of the house. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. As we enter this little wing, we do have another living room right here. So you can see there's got a couch in here. You do have some storage over here, and this is just to the front of the property. But if you wanted a home gym, this would be a great home gym, or make it a home office, make it a playroom for the kids, however you want. These 2 bedrooms do share a Jack and Jill bathroom. So we'll just pop in here. Got your big pocket closet right there. And then here is the shared bathroom. We do have a different material for the countertops, different color in here, which is nice. Kind of breaks it up. Got that nice modern black framing all over. And we have the same nice soft close cabinetry, just a different color. And we have a walk-in shower right here. So without walking in, you got your spot to put all your goods. You got a nice window, it's nice and high, so it's about 5.5 feet up, so pretty safe from anyone looking in. Tiled all the way to the ceiling, and the tile goes all around in the bathroom. And then that'll pop right into our second bedroom right here. Nice little detail too, so we don't have the traditional bench you see in a lot of homes. Got a little more upscale, a little more modern. You've got your pocket slider right there. And if we were to come out here, this takes us back into that little living room. And then off the laundry room right here, if you wanted to enclose it, close it off. You got your little farm door right there. Washer, dryer, additional storage, a little hanging rack on the wall. And this takes us into one of the 2 car garages. So got nice high ceilings, got epoxy floors, Got a window, which is really nice. Over here we have the water conditioner, soft water conditioner, and the hot water heater. And we do have an access to the backyard right here. So, and there's a fence, a little gate right there, and that just goes to the front yard, front of the house. All right, the other 2-car garage, there's no direct access into the house, so you can park in there, do storage in there, whatever you want, but to get into the house from that garage, you would go through the front door. So, all right, so we've been in this area. Didn't show you this little hallway right here, which is where we have a half bath. So if you had guests over, this is where they could refresh themselves. It's nice and modern, a little different looking. Got a nice floating cabinet right there. Again, we have different materials in here, so and we have an above counter, kind of fancy little glass dish there for the sink itself. We have a coat closet right here, just off the front door. And let's go ahead and we'll go upstairs and then we'll go hit the primary bedroom. All right, we're up here. You can see we're in the foyer right here, entryway into the house. And we have 2 bedrooms up here and a balcony. Good sized bedroom. It has its own nice big walk-in closet. And here is the little covered balcony to the front of the house. There we go. So great views. Got way over here. We're looking at the west side of the valley. Mount Charleston's off in the distance. And then that's going to take us into this other secondary bedroom, which has its own doorway out to the same balcony. And it's got its closet right there. The shared bathroom up here. So we got we have what we have. And this is a full bathroom, and there's a door that closes it off. So if someone was showering or relieving themselves, and someone else needed to use the sink and the mirror, they could. All right, let's head back downstairs. All right, that's gonna take us over to the primary bedroom wing, and we do have a cool little home office right here. So before you get to the bedroom, we've got this great home office off to the right. Gorgeous window, natural light. You can see who's coming and going from the house, of course. And over here, this is a really cool feature. So this is a metal door with a lock on it, metal framed, metal hinges. So it's like a safe room, right? To a certain extent. So be harder to get into. And then once you get inside it, you got this nice closet and you have a nice big safe over there in the corner. So, nice little feature to have in the house. You can keep a lot of things safe and secure in there. And then from the safe inside, you could keep, things even more safe and secure. So this will lead us into the primary bedroom, which is really big. It has your own sitting area. Another gorgeous picture window right there. Off to the right, we'll go first. We're gonna check out the bathroom area. So we have two toilets. We have a toilet off to my right here with some storage. And then over here, we have sink and vanity area. Freestanding soaking tub. Another sink area, toilet number 2. And then here's your walk-in shower. And that leads us into your walk-in closet, which is nice and spacious and completely built out. So just ready for your belongings. And then over here, we've got this gorgeous bedroom. Great place to lay your head at night. Amazing views looking out of your bedroom right here. Nice high ceilings. That slider 2-panel opens up. So not a bad way to go to bed or to wake up. You're not gonna have a lot of ambient light out here. We're pretty far out a ways. So you're just gonna have obviously some lights from these homes, but as far as like big commercial complexes, none. Stop street lights, none. Street lights, none. So just pretty dark out here at night, and again, great views. So if you'd like to call this house home, you'd like to see this house, give me a call. Contact info's there. If you want to talk about selling your house, give me a call. If you want to talk about new construction, give me a call. If you want to talk about some other resale homes in the valley, give me a call. Thanks for joining. Have a fantastic day.